Okay guys, we got a 2024 Toyota Tundra. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. You're going to open up this box lid, take all of this out, and your filter door is just right here. So over here, there's a tab. Just like this, we're going to pop it open. And then your cabin air filter door is right there. So we're just going to pull it off like that. I'm going to just press these down a bit, pull it off. Cabin air filter is right there. Pull it out. Take a look at it, see if it needs replaced. I'll link a replacement one in the description. This one does look good. Just a little bit of stuff that we can blow out. And then just put everything back together and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.